If you're on the search for a way to reduce your wrinkles, improve laugh lines, reduce crow's feet, lift your face in a more natural way, today I'm sharing with you my Facelift Facial massage. This is by far one of the best and most comprehensive facelift massages you're gonna find here on YouTube, because I'm a naturopathic doctor and I know the function of the muscles and tendons and ligaments that are connecting our facial muscles together that can ultimately give you a reduction in furrow lines and the 11s and laugh lines and crow's feet, and calm your muscles, leading to a calm, relaxed face that is more circulation and is going to look more youthful and radiant without any Botox or any surgery. So if you're interested, let's dig right on into my video. So if that sounds like something you're searching for, let's dig right on into my video. Welcome back to all of our regular viewers, and for all of you new watching this video, welcome. My name is Dr. Melissa Gallagher, and I'm sharing with you a decade of facial massage techniques that I have learned and developed. So we're gonna go right on into my morning routine. I'm gonna share with you this massage in full, and this is something you'll wanna hit save and maybe even add to a special playlist so you can watch over and over again as we do the different techniques. And I will also list in the description the step-by-step, and you can screenshot that, and you can print that out. And I'm really excited to share these with you today because these literally will have instantaneous wrinkle reduction, a relief in muscle tension, and you're gonna notice that your skin and your muscles just feel like really calm. I always feel relaxed when I do these. I also get a lot of lymphatic drainage, so that might be something you experience post-nasal drainage, so just fair warning. First begin with these two products. I use the amazing rose water toner spray just to clear my skin. And then this anti-inflammation oil is fantastic. It serves as a facial oil, just gives really good lubrication and moisturizing to maximize the benefits of this amazing facial. Next, I gently massage this oil into my face, following the lymphatic channels, just opening up the lymphatics and really working this into my skin. So good. Feels fantastic just to get that circulation kicked off for the depth of this massage. First step is to massage upwards on what we call the 11s. And this is going to be a very strong stroke from the beginning of the middle of the brow all the way up to the top of the forehead, really zeroing in on that muscle group that is furrow oriented. Next, forehead sweeps are really great, just again motivating the lymphatics as well as toning up this muscle. And then what we do are forehead crunches, just real strong presses up the forehead. I love the eyebrow fascia release. I call these eyebrow pinchers, and you're really going to get in. And sometimes it's hard, but just really pinch the muscle. So you're grabbing the muscle, not the skin. It might be hard initially, but you're going to do that across the whole entire brow, and it is going to release the tension in your forehead. It's shocking how much tension we get. These pinchers are great for alleviating the tension of the forehead and relaxing muscles that need to get relaxed and toned with this massage. Next, I love to deploy mid-forehead sweeps, and this is you're starting in the middle of the forehead and just really pressing with all your fingers down towards the temples. And this is with some pressure, and it is so great for soothing the muscle. Next, 2 fingers, you do forehead scissors, basically scissor massage back and forth, and really relax the forehead, and then move your fingers left and right in this cross scissor pattern. It really relaxes the forehead and eases the wrinkle lines. The next step of this is an eyebrow raise that is an isolated raise. Essentially, you're going to be pressing really intensely along the forehead and raising your eyebrows. but in an isolated format, it might feel really weird. It might feel like you're not moving your eyebrows, but it is really, really powerful at releasing the tension in that muscle. The next thing we're going to do are going to be what we call eyebrow corner presses. I'm starting here on my left side, and basically from the beginning of the eyebrow, you press upward toward the hairline, releasing this one particular muscle that can be often associated with droopy eyebrows. Then I switch to the opposite side, the right side, and we repeat the same activity of intensely pressing from the brow to the hairline. You're going to feel really relaxed after this. So powerful. Next up, we're going to use our fingers and really press inside the corner of the eyebrow and do circular pattern. This is really great for also releasing the tension of the forehead while toning up the muscle that keeps our eyebrows lifted. This is part of the lifting process of this particular massage. And then we just do these very gentle sweeps and really, really calming that muscle. As you can see, my forehead is less tense and the wrinkling is minimized greatly. It's so effective and immediate. The next step of this, we are going to be doing what I call the hook over eyebrow sweeps. And again, I start on my left side, and basically you are going to create some tension with the opposite finger in along the corner of the eye, and then with the other pointer finger, you're going to be pressing very deeply across the eyebrow and really working that in a massage fashion towards the edge of the eyebrow, inner to outer. It's really, really great for your eyes, lifting your eyebrows, and easing the muscle tension. I repeat this on the right side here. This is really wonderful for just, again, enhancing the muscle tone of the eyebrow, lifting the eye, making a more youthful eye appear. Next, we're going to be focusing on TMJ jaw-related tension. These are jaw circles, and you're going to want to get in there and really do circular pattern in and around that jaw bone, up to the ear, just below the temple, and that is really going to help ease a lot of the jaw-related tension that might be causing crow's feet and even just wrinkles in and along the jawline. Next, we jaw press up the side towards the temples. This is, again, is going to be an intense pressure. What we're doing is just really relaxing and lifting that muscle. This is quite motivating and tenderizing, if you will, to the muscle. We, again, focus on both the left and right side, starting at the very end of the jaw bone and working all the way up past the temple up to that hairline above the brow. Next, pinchers. We're going to be pinching the cheeks. Cheek pinchers. You're going to basically be pinching along the cheek in an upward fashion. This is really great for motivating circulation, enhancing blood flow, and also just really eases a lot of the tension of the laugh lines, the base of the crow's feet. This really helps bring together the relaxation that we need along the cheek. So powerful, and it feels fantastic. The other thing that you're going to do after you're done with that is we're going to do cheekbone sweeps. So you're sweeping from the corner of the eye up the cheekbone up towards the temple. That is also releasing another muscle there, TMJ muscle. Next, this is really fun, monkey O's. This is going to be a lip extension where you are keeping your jaw stabilized and creating an outward O with your lips and then pulling it inward, outward, inward, and again, keeping your jaw as stable as you can. This is a fantastic muscle releaser for the jaw, for the line around the lips. It's really, really great. Now, next we're going to do what we call the hook mouth and isolated monkey O's. So you're going to be pressing gently with the hands around the mouth, around the jaw area, doing the monkey O out, inward, outward, inward. That isolation is great for reducing laugh lines, wrinkles around and above the lips. Next, we're going to do what we call lip pincher. So this, you really want to relax your jaw and your lips so you can get in and really work the muscle. You do a pinching here, start from the side, work in towards the middle part, and then to the other side. And repeat this action. It might feel a little weird, and it doesn't cause any pain or discomfort. But if you relax your jaw, you're going to be able to get as much muscle tone in between your fingers to really create the relaxation we need to ease the wrinkles and ease the tension of the muscles in around the lips so we minimize wrinkles above the lip. We minimize wrinkles along the laugh line. This is so powerful at just really enhancing our lips. Now, the other thing that we do are going to be laugh line pinchers. Basically, take your thumb and your pointer finger together in this kind of pinching, kneading process. Just really focus on those laugh lines on the outer part of your smile, outer part of your lips. Just pinching them in towards the middle, towards the center. Really, really powerful at motivating. Now, the last thing that we're going to do here on the cheek, we're going to do the lower cheek thumb kneading. It's kind of like you're kneading muscle like dough, and you're pushing towards the lips. Next, we're going to do tongue circles around the front of the teeth. This might be a little awkward. You want to make sure you keep your lips together and basically stick your tongue in between the outer part of your teeth in a circular pattern. Move it along the outer part, the front of your teeth, inside your lips. And it is a great yoga for your face technique. So this is using some yoga massage techniques. Next, you're going to use the 3 middle fingers and do what I call nose ticklers, basically the corner of the nose out towards past the cheek and out towards the laugh lines, just really gently massaging outward. And you can go down even towards the end of the jaw chin line. This is really great for just enhancing the relaxation of those muscles. It also helps to release some of the fascia and promote circulation. The next to last thing we're going to do is take 2 fingers, middle and your pointer finger, and do a chin massage. I like to do kind of a scissor action, left and right from the edge of the lip across the chin. And then sometimes I do pressing outward from the middle of the chin out towards the cheek. And again, if you have jaw, TMJ, grief, that can be helpful. The last and final finishing here, we are going to deploy lymph massage finisher, and that just really helps promote the lymph flow to maximize this massage. I hope you are feeling more relaxed. You feel like your muscle tone is just, I call it tenderized. It just feels like, wow, this kind of tension, our jaw and our forehead, the furrow lines, the levens, laugh, tension in our face has dissipated. I always feel great when I do this massage. So I'm going to answer a few kind of FAQs here. Frequency of this massage. You can do this 2 to 3 times a week. You can also do this every day. I will tell you that on my best weeks, I'm doing this every day. I might not be doing it in the full entirety, but I am doing some degree of facial relaxing, TMJ, and for me, it's the furrow lines. It's my stress. I hold it right here, right above my eyes, and kind of, so that tends to be what I experience. But for many of you who may have sinus congestion, or maybe you smoked in the past, you may want to focus more on certain aspects of this massage and hone in on those areas that are more problematic for you. That's perfectly fine to do. But I definitely recommend just don't do it once. Start to get this type of massage into your regular routine. It also works great if you are doing at-home spa treatments and you're doing a facial. I recommend doing the massage first and then doing a mask or some sort of exfoliating treatment. That is just such a great way to enhance already the circulation flow that you're getting. And if you are interested in other face-related massage techniques, I'm going to post these videos down below. It's a playlist. In these videos, I've shared techniques of facial cupping and self DIY lymphatic drainage massage of the face for allergy season and lymphatic promotion of the face. I hope you'll check those out and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this type of content, this type of video DIY, or are curious about what types of products I use at home, I'm going to encourage you to sign up for my monthly roundup email. And this is a very specialized email. It's uncensored, so I don't have to worry about putting things that might get flagged here on YouTube or other social sites. There are a lot of details and information I provide on a monthly and weekly basis to folks in my email list. That also includes additional resources, content and even coupons and special discounts and offers and freebies. So make sure you click on the link down below to sign up for my email list. I think you'll really enjoy what we have in store for you in the current month and in the future. And so I'm excited to bring you this amazing natural way of reducing wrinkles without using Botox, which is so toxic for your body and can cause some damage. So there's always a risk. But with this type of massage, there's no risk, just total reward.